and good day. Today I'd like to talk about the VA home loan and specifics about that loan program. If you are a veteran, a surviving spouse of a veteran, and if you're even active duty, you have an opportunity to hopefully qualify and use this 100% financing home loan. So what does that mean? That means that you don't have a down payment, the difference between the sales price and your loan amount. So 100% financing, to give you an example, if your purchase price is $300,000, then your basic loan amount is going to be $300,000. That's a great thing. A lot of clients have money for a down payment, they just don't have to use it. So that's a great feature. One of the confusing parts of the VA loan program is that if you don't have a down payment, then you don't have to come in with any money, and that is not the case. Generally, you are going to have closing costs, and then you might want to know, well, what the heck are closing costs? So generally, in a loan transaction, you're going to have a lender and a title company involved in the transaction. So you have fees that come from the lender, appraisal, processing, underwriting. Then you have fees that come from the title company, title, escrow, recording, miscellaneous fees. And those fees are required to be paid at the closing table. Now, you can pay them, or what could be ideal is if you can have your realtor negotiate for the seller to pay them. And that's a possibility also. So lots of possibilities on this loan program. The other part of the closing costs are the amount that we're going to collect for your property taxes and homeowners insurance, aka fire insurance. So to give you an example, when you make your home loan payment, you pay the principal and interest on the home loan itself, and then you pay a portion of the property taxes and insurance. So you pay one payment to the lender. Well, what the lender does is they collect the taxes and insurance and they put it into a separate account for you. So they're really holding the money so that the next time those property tax bill comes due, the property tax bill comes due, or your fire insurance bill comes due, they're paid out of that account. So it's a way to make sure that those items are paid and that you are covered. So you'll have lender fees, title company fees, and funds that we're going to set aside to pay your taxes and insurance. If you have other questions about the VA home loan, I'm certainly helpful. I want to be a resource for you. I want to support the veteran community and make sure that there are not any misconceptions about the VA home loan. I will say that one of the very first things you want your loan officer to do, or myself for you, is I want to make sure that you're eligible for the VA home loan program. There is a form, a certificate of eligibility generally, that we're going to want to obtain, just depending on your service. And I know how to get that for you, and I can see what you're eligible for and walk you and help you navigate through the process. So love you to be here. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you